is happening and a lot will happen, and I want to keep that momentum, so here we are, making videos again. YouTube, I believe, is 100% the reason why I'm in the spot that I am today. Not just because of bus stuff, but like me getting into the whole videography, which then started the whole bus life stuff. I think it's all because of YouTube. So, and I like making videos, so let's do this. All right, let's get to it. Okay. My son's been playing with my camera for the longest time, so I don't know what my settings are at. So if it sucks, it's his fault. So yeah, a lot has happened, a lot is happening, and a lot will happen. But instead of me just kind of telling the whole story, let's just start from ground zero, and we'll fill you in as the days progress. I'm not gonna do a daily vlog, because that's just too much, but I'm gonna do at least a weekly. So that being said, so first things first, my name's Caleb Nelson, and I have a bus conversion shop here in Wilmington, North Carolina, that is entirely by accident. We built a bus for ourselves, we documented it on YouTube, you guys watched and shared, and then now we have a business with just me right now, in 2,800 square foot shop, and I got 2 buses going right now. But right now, this is Julie's bus, the 2014 Ford E450. So Julie has a massage studio in downtown Wilmington, and she's tired of paying rent for her business. So instead of paying rent, she decided to buy a shuttle bus, and she hired me to do the conversion. And all we're gonna do is just add a massage table, a bathroom with the toilet and a vanity, lights, insulation, heat and air, and a couple of seats. So she's gonna drive around Wilmington and give people massages in the back of her bus. And this thing is gonna be really, really nice, really comfortable. So that's what we're getting started on today. Well, we're not really getting started on it today because I've already done the demo, but we're getting the subfloor done today. Maybe put up some strapping so I can start hanging the walls this weekend, if not next week, after we do the installation. But yeah, basic layout is going to be, we're chopping off basically this whole back section and gonna build a whole bathroom with an electrical cabinet and a water supply within the toilet and vanity. All of this is gonna be open space. She's gonna have a massage table right here. We're going to do a little seat for her next client. We're gonna do a dividing wall for privacy between the windshield and the back. And then like a little storage cabinet thing right there. Yesterday I bought a lot of materials, and those materials need to get put into this bus. So today is the subfloor. It's been a while since I've been making videos, so I keep forgetting to film stuff. This is the 3rd piece of the subfloor. I already got the installation in. I got the subfloor done. If that shows you anything about how this process went. I kept getting all these freaking beams. It's a wood floor primarily, but it's got metal slats that run left to right, front to back, and they're like kind of not very consistent. So I measured everything and spaced it all out, but I kept drilling into the freaking beam. So then my screw wouldn't actually adhere as deep as I needed it to. So yeah, that was a lot harder than it needed to be. I just went through all of these by trying to do it. But subfloor's done, so I'm cool with it, I'm happy with it. This is the first time I've dealt with a shuttle bus, and it's got like fiberglass walls. And they're about 1 inch thick, 3/4 of an inch thick with metal ribs every so often. But every so often is not exactly mathematically good. So we'll see. Where is he? What is it, dude?
A frog.
It's a frog?
Say cheese, frog.
Cheese. Oh. We just went to the beach as a family, and that frog was on the bumper when I opened the door as we parked on the beach. And then we went to a Mexican restaurant, then we went to get cookies, then we raced the Volkswagen Passat, and this frog then jumps off the bumper as soon as we get to the shop.
Oh, Milo, don't stare in.
Why?
Because that's not nice, dude. Well, it's been a good day.
Alright, I'm gonna put Elvis to bed.
Alright, night night.
Bye, love y'all.
Bye, love you too.
Chocolate under that.
It did. Alright, so it's been a very eventful day. As you can see, things have happened. I'm excited about it. But more is to come for sure. We're going to be doing a lot of cool things in the future that's hopefully changing the lives of a lot of people. And pumped. So, thanks.